Inhale, begin to lift your right leg up to the ceiling. And exhale, low lunge. Now, I needed a block today, so if you would like to place a block underneath your left palm, please go for it. But line up your sits bones with each other again. Feel your rib cage pull from your waistline. Inhale, easy twist, lift your right arm up to the ceiling. Draw your shoulders in, and there's a tendency for your left hip to drop. Keep the hips nice and long. Exhale, low lunge, bring your right hand down. Inhale, pyramid. Straighten your right leg any amount. Keep your left heel popped off the floor, and let's flow between those three shapes. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, easy twist. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, pyramid, straighten your leg. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale, lunge your knee. Exhale, lift your right arm up. Inhale, right hand to the floor. Exhale, pyramid, straighten the leg. 1 more. Inhale, lunge into your knee. Exhale, twist. Inhale, right hand back down. Exhale, pyramid, and hold. Option 1, stay here. Option 2, revolve triangle. I think it should be called revolve pyramid, but I didn't write the rules. So option to lift your right arm up to the ceiling. Now notice if your right hip is really sassed up, lift the left hip up, plug the right thigh bone deep into the hip socket, aim for your shoulders to line up with your hips. Take a round of breath here. Exhale, lower your hand down, look forward, and step your left foot forward to Malasana. So you might need to toe heel some distance between your feet, get your heels towards the edges of your mat. If you utilized a block and you'd like to sit on the block, go for it. Use your elbows to pull your knees open to either side of the room. Draw your shoulder blades in tight. Take a moment here. Bring your hands back to the floor. Toe heel your feet to hip width distance. Inhale. And exhale, step back into down dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, low lunge. Consider a block underneath your right hand for this one. Line up your sits bones together. Keep pushing the left glute back to the wall behind you. Inhale, easy twist. Lift the left arm up. Line up the hips. Draw the shoulder blades in tight. Option to look up. And exhale, back down for the low lunge. Plant your palm. Inhale, pyramid. Slowly straighten out your left leg, letting your right heel still stay off the floor. Direct your right hip flexor to roll down towards your left big toe, trying to keep the low back and hips as even with each other as possible. Inhale, low lunge, bend the knee. Exhale, easy twist, left arm up. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, pyramid. 2 more. Inhale, lunge into your left knee. Exhale, twist your left arm up. Inhale, left hand back down. Exhale, pyramid, straighten out. 1 more. Inhale, deepen into your lunge. Exhale, twist the left arm up. Inhale, low lunge, plant the palm. Exhale, pyramid. Again, option to hold here. Keep extending the rib from the hips. Or inhale, revolved triangle. Should be called revolved pyramid. Push the left sits bone back to the wall behind you. Shoulder blades in tight. Think up dog with the chest. Breathe in. Different for this one. Exhale, wide-legged forward fold. Quarter turn to the right. Line up your hips over your big toes. But other than that, some organic movement so you can rock side to side, a twist, a chest expansion. If you're feeling it, crow pose, headstand, prone frog, you have some time here to just kind of do your own thing. I do recommend, though, to be honest with you, to keep it basic and simple. Start to spin back to the front for your low lunge, and exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, down dog.